Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Mongar. We are from Bhutan. We work in an organization called as Druk Holdings and Investments, which is investment arm of the Royal Government of Bhutan. In the organization, we work as associate analysts under the Department of Investments, where we look into those domestic as well as international investment opportunities around the world as well as domestically.
Hello everyone, I'm Thupten Sharaf. I am an associate analyst under Druk Holding and Investment. I work under Enterprise Development Division, basically appraising proposals from new startups and entrepreneurs.
We have come to Bangkok basically with the aim to learn more about what the work that we do at our offices. So basically we look into those business proposals, investment opportunities, and for that financial modeling, valuations, reviews become an important critical point for us. So our supervisors as well as our company CEO has advised us to search for training opportunities outside Bhutan because of the vast majority of expertise as well as experiences the trainers bring in the international market. So that's when we met the London Institute of Business and Technology, which is a wonderful organization bringing professionals like us together in such a confined and cozy environment whereby we can not only learn but we can also have life experience of our lifetime in terms of the nature, in terms of the hospitality that is there, in terms of the trainers as well. So it has been a very heartwarming experience for us coming here with London Institute of Technology with our trainers. So in terms of our trainers, I would like to say that our trainers have exceeded our expectations. The CVs that were provided, I think they were underwhelming, I would say, but the real experience that we got was beyond what the CV had really provided us. So the trainers had well thought out lesson plans. They had the engagement activities with us. We played some games. We had practical experiences as their way of giving examples in certain scenarios where I think really relevant for us.
Regarding the trainers were really rich in experience. It was, I would say, fun learning experience because they were not really sticking to their course outlines, but also engaging us in other activities, of course imparting practical knowledges. They have really strong grip of practical experiences, not just the theoretical knowledge. I think from my personal experience, it was all wholesome and new learning experience. Moreover, I think this has enhanced my knowledge not just on financial and business review, but also in a way that how to learn and teach also new methodologies of learning which were not taught to us before. So it was a really great experience.
So in terms of the lessons that we take back home is in terms of the financial modeling, new techniques that we learn, the business review techniques, the way to analyze those proposals and all. I think our tutors have also really made us think what would be some of the opportunities that we can go back and share with our CEO, the learnings that we have. So I think it was overall a good experience. So for the London Institute of Business and Technology, the only recommendation I would have is in terms of food. I think coming from Bhutan, the sweet food of Thailand was not in our likings. So I think having certain kind of flavor of the nation would be good. Rest, I think the hospitality, the email responses, I can see the interactions. The CEO himself was texting me about the courses and all. I think it was a really wonderful experience for me. Thank you very much.
So for the accommodation, London Institute of Technology and Business, I think they were really accommodating. They were really prompt to our requests. I think we requested change in the flavor of the food and they promptly heeded to our request. Moreover, the workspace here is really beautiful. Not just that, the space here is very comfortable, plus all the amenities are here. So I think it was a really great experience.